kailangan. You lose? Natalo ka?
You lose, she lost. No. I see your loss. But at least you have 10 seconds. Congrats.
Thank you po.
Congrats naman!
I prove yes.
Yeah. Yeah. But more effort.
2 in a row.
Yeah.
Like 2, like this.
Yeah. Tomorrow, 2.
Tomorrow 2.
2.
2 breaks in a row.
50 seconds hug.
Only 50 seconds!
Yeah, 2.
Is that a proper break? You build houses with that stuff.
If he broke 2, you give him 50 seconds.
1 hour.
1 hour, 60 seconds.
1 hour naman!
Just 1 minute.
Joke lang.
60 seconds. 60 seconds, 1 minute.
Ayaw ko ah.
Hindi na. It's hard to, to do that. Then if she don't, he cannot broke, tell him, you leave me alone for 3 days.
Ay!
Oh my gosh, why did you say that?
Ay!
I just give you an idea, see?
Gusto ko yan.
See?
Gusto ko yan talaga.
So, Vic, deal or no deal?
Are you meant to break 2 bricks in a row?
Deal. Dalawang breaks na.
Dalawang breaks, 2 breaks, 1 minute or 3 days. Leave her alone.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Ah.
Ha?
Bailey, see?
Deal?
Deal or no deal? Ala!
I'll break it.
Ala!
Dalawa.
Tomorrow, ha?
Yeah. I can kick it.
I'll be there to witness.
Let's do that. Let's do this.
Call me. No.
Hindi kailangan hands. Kailangan naman.
Deal or no deal? Yo, use
Sa ulo.
use your this one.
Sira.
Really?
Zero.
Tapos gamusap dito yung buto na bones. Bakit wala siyang bag sa ano niya? Sa,
Ano pa?
where's your bag for your this one?
Uncomfortable.
Ha?
Hindi comfortable.
Nasaan?
Kuya will ilagay sa storage yung mga art materials for yellow long sleeve with nameplate. Red shirt, Tommy. Yellow shirt, Ilona. Mga gamit-damit ni Mikey sa gilid ng kamo.
Ano na?
For yellow. Art materials. Guys, sa mga art materials. Kunin na to. Hindi yun. Ay, please, pasok mo.
Ganda.
Hindi pa yan. Bukas pa yan. Basta nakahanda lang dyan. Ano na to? Ilona, this is yours.
Opo.
Sus. Sus.
Yun. Meron.
Kasi ikaw.
Ba't si Frank merong abs?
Ano mo kung paano magsalita ang pangit?
You missed it, bro. I break in half 2 bricks. Wala na.
Alam mo kung paano magsalita?
Red Polo. Tommy. Tommy.
Karate chop.
Plasma. Ganun ko na dito.
If you break the brick in half, you get me off.
Paano kapag magpapahaircut? Anong haircut?
Tayo na.
Ako?
Yeah.
Pag pinapagit niya na yun.
Parang ganito kay Billy.
Maganda sa
If you
pagtulog.
break
Sige, sige.
at a gym boy.
he,
Confession.
the brick,
Okay, sige.
like me, he have you 10 seconds.
Hey, Richard.
Richard and Jimboy or
Hindi tayo nagigyan.
Richard
Tommy,
and Jimboy Roger.
Like me,
Yung ano, yung kanina. Ilona, ginawa mo.
he does it para sa iyo.
Akin.
Okay lang?
Oo.
Lang.
Yeah. You have to break in half the break.
That's too easy.
No, it's not.
Tsaka yung yellow shirt na. Oh, di ba, matapag na? Pwede na?
Oo. Maghanda sa pagtulog na.